Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So from my own personal experiences, helping over 800 businesses get online, from first-hand helping businesses get online, as well as creating out a marketing strategy for them, I've seen from personal experience, having the right marketing strategy can literally transform your business and scale it. You've got agencies that are one way of delivering that service, but then you've also got alternatives. There's around 4 different alternatives that you can look through. And today we'll be going through what are them other alternatives so you can decide which one's best for your business to get online and have that growth. And today we're going to be going through the other 4 alternatives that you can choose from to then see what's best for your actual business and help your business scale online. Using a marketing agency or company is one of the ways of having them results delivered. However, there's also a few other alternatives that can be put in place. So in this video, I'm going to be going through them alternatives. So today in this video, I'm going to be going through whether you should be choosing a marketing agency or choosing one of them other alternatives, how to even find the right one. And once you do find the right one, what should you normally be expecting as a benchmark in order to make sure you're heading down the right path of scaling your business. And before we jump into the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Let's go. So firstly, let's get into option 1, which is the DIY model, where you could do it yourself. However, now the advantages with this option is straight away, you're saving costs. Before we even get into a couple of the options, here's a few things that you could think about before making a decision so you know you're making the right one. Are you just looking for an online presence? So if somebody types in your brand name or your company name, you can be found. Or are you looking to have a lead generating machine online where you're constantly getting a flow of leads coming through the website? Once you've got your goals to one side, now once you know about your goal, do you have time to manage this yourself? Or do you need somebody else to take the reins of it? And are you even launching too quickly? Can you take on capacity for more of the work? And are you looking for something quick or are you looking to invest long term? So once you know the answers to them questions, then it's choosing which option is actually going to be right for yourself. So let's go into option 1, which is the freelancer model. Now, before I jump into a couple of the things that you need to think about, this can work both with website design as well as digital marketing. Now, before I jump into parts of the video, this can actually work well with, so option 1 would be a DIY option where you start doing it yourself. Now, if you're looking at building out a website, you can use tools. And if you're looking at running a marketing campaign, you can actually run these yourself as well, using tools like Google Ads, or Facebook Meta ads. However, what they won't tell you, what these tools won't tell you is what's going to actually work for your company or your brand from experience. It's going to be more automated. You type in, you'd be selecting through a pre-selected option, and then you'll be able to run your campaign and launch it. Yes, it's fast and quick. However, the fundamentals such as conversion tracking or making sure the correct keywords are implemented on the pages are not possibly going to be there because you're obviously doing a DIY model to save the costs. And the downside to it also would be you're having to actually put in your own time. So putting a value on your own time and the hours you're going to spend might end up costing your business actually more than actually helping your business. Now you could use option 2 would be having freelancers. Now the benefits of having a freelancer is because their overheads are quite low, it means their costs are initially low as well. You can also then pick somebody who's really specialized in a skill set, such as if it's just for design, they'll be great at design, but then they might lack in some other areas such as development. Or if you're running paid ads, or if you're looking at doing digital marketing, they might be great at running paid ads on Google, but not great at running paid ads on Meta. Or they might be great at doing on-page SEO, but not that great at doing off-page SEO or content writing for blogs that might need publishing elsewhere. However, they could become more flexible because they'll be giving you a bit more of a personalized attention as you may only be their first client. For an example, you could go hire a freelancer online to run a marketing campaign or even a website design service. However, then you've got to start putting in a lot of your own time to actually manage the project going forward. You'll obviously need to coordinate deadlines and give them constant feedback. Another downside with freelancers could potentially be if you're looking for more support. So if you're looking to branch out a little bit further or additional advice, they might lack in them areas too, which then means you might need to then rehire somebody or find an additional person to add on to your own team. Alongside of that problem, the additional one that you could potentially have is if they're away on holiday, they're unavailable. If they have a sick day, they're unavailable. Or if something bad happens, they're unavailable, which will then have an effect on your own business. Option 3 would be hiring an agency like ourselves. You get a full service approach. You're essentially hiring a team of designers, developers, marketers in SEO or paid ads. and an account manager, all working together as a tight-knit team to make sure you're getting the best successful results as possible, along with the best experiences possible as well. Now, there's different levels of agencies. You've got your low-end agencies who outsource everything and don't actually do anything in-house. You've then got your sort of high-end agencies who have everything done in-house with a team of employees. Now, the advantage is you get an end-to-end service from planning to post-launch, and that's where agencies take care of everything and possibly provide you with ongoing support. And some of the other advantages with agencies are you've got scalability, a professional process, and accountability. So let's go to scalability, for example. Let's say you've got a business website and you're looking to add new features to it, whether that may be a calendar functionality or an e-commerce functionality, or you're looking to send out automated notifications to clients. Well, with an agency, due to them having a team of in-house experts, they'll be able to assist with them services. They'll be able to then assist with them integrations or complex features that may be required. Now, secondly, going to the professional process. An agency like ourselves, we have a 5-step process when it comes to website design. And then when it comes to SEO or marketing, we have a 4-step process. And this is a proven process that we've helped launch over 800 business websites. And with our marketing, we manage over 50 marketing clients per month with the same process, make sure everybody's updated throughout the entire service that's been delivered. And you have the accountability. With agencies, chances are you'll actually have a contract that you'll get to sign with deliverables, timelines, and a breakdown of all the services included. It's not just going to be a WhatsApp message with a price and yes, let's get started. You'll also have a clear support structure, knowing what's going to happen after the service is delivered, if it's a web design service, and the same again if it's a marketing service. Now, there are also some downsides to having agencies. Straight away, yes, there's a higher cost compared to hiring a freelancer or even doing it yourself. Now, some agencies may also use templates or pre-made designs on websites. So that's where you ideally want to do your research and ask questions. And when it comes to marketing, they may use automated tools on a one shoe fitting all. And again, you'd want to do your research by asking certain questions to some of these agencies to make sure you're getting the right type of agency within your business. So to give you a prime example, a growing electrical business or trades business that's looking to generate more leads within their business, they also want to appear top on Google, would benefit essentially from an agency, simply because they'll have an SEO team in-house, a paid ads team in-house as well. That'll be able to drive that traffic and deliver on the expertise that they have over the years. And that's where one package may suit that style of business. Now, another example would be if it's a new startup business and you're looking to just get online, an agency might be useful there, because if you're looking to scale your business in the future, you've then got an option to come to the agency right away, and you've already worked with them and you've already built up a history with them at that same time. You've then already worked with them and also built up a relationship with them at the same time. Whereas if you go to a freelancer, they might not be available in a year's time or 2 years' time, or they may not be able to even provide you with that marketing knowledge that they already have right whilst you're building out the website from the beginning, such as keyword research to make sure the correct content is in place on your website when you're going to launch. Or if you're doing it yourself, you'll then have to spend time to research on these other areas in order to make sure your website's the best it can be to begin with, and making sure it's professional at the same time. If your budget's very tight, here's some of my own recommendations. If your budget's tight, but you're happy to manage somebody who might not be available in the future, or if you're looking to scale, you'll then need to find another person, then essentially doing a DIY option or even hiring a freelancer might be suitable to begin with. However, if your website's going to be a major part of your business, or you're looking to create a marketing strategy that's going to help you with a consistent flow of sales coming through the business, as well as ranking on top of Google, as well as ChatGPT and AI now, then hiring an agency is going to be the best option. However, most importantly, whatever you choose must align with your business goals. You don't want a jack of all trades agency, and the same again with freelancers. And if you're still unsure, you can click on the link below for us to review over your website, as well as go through a marketing strategy with you at no cost. We don't work with everybody because, again, we only specialize in certain styles of businesses, and we're not a jack of all trades. And if you're still unsure, you can click on the link below, book in a call with myself or my team to see what option would actually be suitable for your business. And again, we don't work with all styles of businesses either, but we'll still be able to help you figure out what makes sense for your situation to help your business scale further. And if we feel we might not be a right fit right away together, we may be able to work together in the future. And if we feel like we might not be a right fit right away, we may be able to work together in the future, who knows. But click on the link below, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good YouTube stuff. And if you want to check out last week's video, click up here, and don't forget to click on the channel over here. Thanks for watching.